So in today's video, I wanted to talk about the new Powerfield Energy Power Rack 1200. Now what this is, it's a ground mount solar panel rack, and it's the ballast style that you can just fill up with dirt. So there's no digging post holes, there's no concrete, there's nothing like that. You just set these on the ground, fill them with whatever material you have on hand, whether that be dirt, sand, gravel. I even use just large boulders, and they've been working great for me. Now the solar panels just slide right on top of the rack, and then at the very bottom, there's these little plastic clips that just slide and lock into place. It is so simple to use. Now my last 3 different solar arrays I've built on my property, I have used these racks, and I gotta say, I think they're the easiest rack out there to use, especially if you have rocky ground like I do and trying to dig into this type of rocky ground. I mean, I have about 6 inches of soil, and then it's pretty much like solid either limestone or granite. So digging out here requires special equipment like an auger with, the rock bit style. So it would just be so expensive for me to put in like a metal rack like you see a lot of people have on their ground mounts. I love those racks, and I would love to use it out here, but I just can't justify the expense of it. So these have been a great alternative. So now what you need to keep in mind with these racks is what area of the country you are in, or what area of the world you're in, and how much wind you get out there. That will depend on how much material you're supposed to fill inside of these racks. Now they do have little lines on them, so you can reach out to Powerfield Energy, and for your specific location, they will tell you what line you need to fill that material up to be able to pass inspection. Because these racks are UL certified. They can handle up to 130 mile/hour wind and up to a 200 pounds per square foot snow load as well. Now I've been using the older rack, the smaller one, for about 2 to 3 years now. I've had 0 issues. I absolutely love them. Now I do have some things that I would say there's a lot of pros, but there are a few cons I will go into later on in this video. Now those racks that I did a couple years ago, and these ones right here, they're able to handle solar panels about the size of between 200 and 450 watts. Now these newer, larger racks, the PowerRack 1200, they can handle from about 400 watt panels all the way up to 635 watt panels. Now I know a lot of you commented on my older videos and messaged me directly saying that, man, these racks are great, but you really need them for those 500 watt plus size panels. Well, now they just released it, so I will leave a link in the description to the new ones that can handle those larger panels, and also have a link to the older model as well that you see here in my video. Now from what I can tell, the new 1200 model Power Rack, it's basically exactly the same as the older model. It just looks maybe a tiny bit different cosmetically, but everything else is really exactly the same. And the pricing really didn't even go up that much. The older rack is about $85 right now as I'm making this video in January 2026, and the newer models are $90 for the larger one. So not much of a difference there. Now, if you don't need a permit, you could install these like I did, because I'm in an area that doesn't require permits for a ground rack. I used basically one of these Power Rack ballast style racks per panel. Now, depending on how high the wind is in your location, you may need to use 2 of these racks per panel in order to meet that 130 mile per hour wind rating. So if you do need a permit, make sure you reach out to Powerfield Energy to confirm how much you need so you can pass that inspection. So to find out if these racks are actually going to fit the solar panels you have, you got to measure the width of your solar panels. So the larger racks, the PowerRack 1200, that's made for the larger solar panels, the 400 to 635 watt range, you need to make sure you have the standard normal aluminum edge, first of all, that most solar panels have. And you got to make sure the widths are between 44.1 inches to 45.2 inches wide. And this is another thing where before you buy your panels, I would confirm which panel you want with Powerfield Energy, and they will make sure these fit before you make a big mistake on that. So really only the width of the panel matters. The height really doesn't matter since these mount in landscape fashion. Now let's go over the pros that I see in regards to these racks from Powerfield Energy. Number 1, no tools required to install these things. Well, I guess you really need a shovel to shovel dirt or sand or gravel into them. Another pro is no digging, no drilling holes in the ground, no pouring concrete. Also, one person can install these by themselves. All the panels you see right here, I did all of this installation myself with no help. Now it does help if you have somebody, especially for the bigger panels like the 500 watt panels, to have somebody on the other side holding the other side of the panel to slide them on there. But you can do it yourself actually. It's just a little bit more of a struggle. Now they're made of polyethylene, so it's a type of plastic, and it's going to last over 25 years. So that's what the warranty is rated for. And another huge pro is you can fill them with whatever material you have on site. Now I have 15 acres here, a bunch of boulders. So I just put a bunch of boulders inside them because I'm not going to use those for anything on my property. So I threw them in there, weighted them down to about 150 pounds, which is all I needed out here, and it's a done deal. Now there are a few cons, so let's go into those right now. So these are at a fixed tilt of 20 degrees, so you can't adjust them higher or lower, so they're going to be set there permanently, so keep that in mind. Another con is they're pretty low to the ground. They're about 8 to 9 inches off the ground for the bottom of the panel here. So you're going to have to do weed control. If you have weeds growing, you will have to mow those down occasionally to make sure they're not blocking the panel. Also, because they're that low, if you're in an area where you get more than say 8 inches of snow on the ground, this may not be for you, because you're going to have to basically snow blow out in between them occasionally, because they will get buried under snow anything over 8 inches. So keep that in mind also. Now that's all the cons I can think of with these racks. If you can think of anything else, please, by all means, put it in the comments below. Now another pro that I just thought of with these things are they ship very efficiently. You can stack up to 40 to 50 of these on a pallet. Well, that's it for now, everyone. I do highly recommend these things. Again, I've got links to them with a discount code actually, description of this video, so check that out. Other than that, make sure to like the video so more people can see it. Subscribe to the channel if you found this content interesting. That's it for now, everyone. Thanks a lot.